Now, what if your home system didn't just record footage, but actually thought ahead by tracking intruders automatically?
And covered every blind spot.
Introducing the world's first AI powered NVR system with a revolutionary 2-in-1 bullet to PTZ camera with seamless auto tracking and cross camera coverage that's smart enough to think like a security expert. Now let's just do a little bit of an unboxing here with the S4 Max. Basically inside, it's organized pretty well here. The first box comes with all the accessories that you need for the NVR system. It comes with the NVR, a mouse, a plug-in as well, a few cables like HDMI, and also the Ethernet cable. You need to connect this to your router. You also need to connect this to a monitor. And the mouse that it came with is how you control your system. Now, the next box comes with all the cables that you need, the instruction manuals on how to install it as well, positioning guides, and also the brackets and screws to install it on your walls. Now, the next one has the 4 PTZ camera, and this is really amazing because this actually has a one fixed camera up top, two cameras with 1x zoom and 3x zoom, and also it rotates. So this is the one that follows the intruders if they ever come. You can also power it via DC power, or you can just use the Ethernet slot to power it up. And the other side of that will go into the one of the PoE slots. Now to install it super easy as well, it comes with two screws like so. You mount the camera with two screws on the side to lock it in place, and then you use the Ethernet to power it up and to send the signal. And that's it. Now let's start with what makes this system such a game changer. The Bullet PTZ triple lens camera. Now up top, you've got a 4K ultra-wide fixed lens with a 122-degree field of view. Below it is the 2K PTZ camera, which rotates 360 degrees. It automatically locks into movement and zooming in with crystal clarity, even up to 164 feet away. Now, what's wild is how seamlessly the system tracks and frames people in real time. When multiple individuals enter the camera's field of view, the system intelligently tracks people moving in different directions, even detecting movements near blind spots, so you never miss a safety hazard. Now, it's not just motion detection. This is intelligent framing and tracking powered by local AI. Now, here's where the S4 Max gets even smarter. Say someone walks off screen, live cross camera tracking kicks in. Another camera instantly picks up where the last one left off. It's smooth, continuous, and automatic. The on-device AI with an 8-core processor and 60 computing power does the heavy lifting. Now that AI isn't just for tracking. It also powers smart video search. Now instead of scrubbing hours for footage, you just type person or car and it instantly find what you're looking for. It even supports facial recognition for strangers, so you can get notified of unexpected visitors without a flood of false alerts. Well, what about nighttime, right? Some people ask this all the time. No problem at all. With Starlight Color Night Vision, the S4 Max sees in vivid color even in near darkness, making license plates and faces crystal clear.
And of course, if you are wondering about the whole spotlight thing, it also has an infrared version of this night mode. So it helps a lot if you want to be stealth and see more.
And yes, it works with Alexa and also Google Assistant. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Eufy devices, including the Wi-Fi connected cams, thanks to the built-in Wi-Fi module. Now you get a pre-installed 2 terabyte hard drive, but it's expandable up to 16 terabyte. The NVR supports 8 channels as well, natively, and scales up to 16, making it perfect for homes, farms, and even larger properties. So if you're serious about security, don't settle for outdated system. Upgrade to the NVR PoE Security System S4 Max, where 4K visuals meet AI intelligence. It has zero blind spots and 24/7 protection that actually thinks ahead. Click the link for specs, and if you want to order now, it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. And don't forget to use the special code as well for 15% off. Stay safe, stay smart, and thanks for watching. Peace!